Good morning, everyone. We are going to go ahead and take a look at what is going on for today's plan. So, looking at the schedule, we have this morning meeting, and then you have reading, and your reading is in your packet. And I go back to this and look at our respecting animals. And you did the vocabulary yesterday, and today you're going to be learning more about your context clues. And the context clues that you're going to be looking at have to do with synonyms. It looks like synonyms, words that are the same. It looks like they're going to give you the definition right there in the text. So I'd like you to work on doing that. We'll talk about that later on today. Here is your story. I put on the schedule to do what we did in class. Try to see how far you can get in 2 minutes. You have 2 pages. So in 2 minutes, go ahead and just try to read as fast as you can for the 2 minutes. And then I am going to record my voice on here so you can follow along with me and then see if you can improve on your second try, just like we did in the classroom. Okay, and then just be ready to answer this question down below. Talk about some butterflies you've seen. How are they alike and different? So we're going to talk about that at our 2:30 meeting. Okay, looking back at the schedule, you have the Spelling City Vocabulary Challenge. So this is do the match it sentences. So it's the other activity that was on that. You have music, a half hour of Lexia. You are starting a new session, your final session of cursive characters. You will be pros at this at the end of this week. So this is session 4. It's an intro stroke and then N. All the letters are going to look like the same stroke as N. Extra math, you have science. We're going to switch off. Monday we'll do social studies. Tuesday we will do science. And then math, I'm going to have a video here for you just to go over this new math unit that has to do with perimeter and area. Today we're going to be working on perimeter, so I'll go over that math notebook with you. And then 2:30, we have our end of the day meeting where we are going to, number 1, we're going to take a look at that question, talk about some butterflies. So Madeline, I know you have that butterfly kit. You might want to tell us a little bit about that. 2, I did do that dance. I'm going to show you the dance. And when we do the talent show, you could either record it or you could do it live. We're going to be doing that on Friday. And we're also going to do some brainstorming of some things that we've done this year. So that'll be in our book of fun things we did in 3rd grade. Now I want you to think about too at this meeting, you might be sitting around the house all day. Hopefully you get a chance to move around. But when we're at this meeting, let's try to put away all of our pets and try to find a place where we can focus ourselves for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, I will see you at 2:30.